press the blue text of comp 1 and choose New Comp Viewer, thus opening a new composition panel viewer. Now we're seeing the main composition in both viewers, but if you want to change this and watch the other text layer comp in the right panel view at the same time, make sure that the left one is locked and the right one unlocked or open. Then just double click the composition you want to open and view. This is another one of those really valuable options if you're working with a multiple of different compositions, adding up to one major one, or just in larger projects in general. Let's imagine that we only had the text layer comp with the text layers, deleting the 3 layers here outside. If I want to make a change inside the text layer comp, I can do all my changes in the comp viewer to the left and directly see the result of those changes in the comp viewer to the right. Perhaps I want to open even more viewers to animate or adjust 2 compositions and see the effect of it in the main comp at the same time. If I click the blue text again for the composition, you can close the current or highlighted comp over here, all other ones except for the highlighted one here, or just get rid of them all over here.